Yo, what is up, guys? It's Apex Pro 99 and you're watching. Everyone, it's me, Apex, and today we're gonna be cooking with my dad. And yeah, so let's see what we're making today. You need to bring them. First, you need to bring the orange mat, and then next you need to place a papaya. So first, we need to cut papaya like this. Now once your papaya is finished, use container and scoop up the seeds out of the papaya and put them in the jar. Once if you dig out the seeds out, you can put them in the jar and scoop them up later. And once your kiwi is done, once you got the whole kiwi done, oh, it seems you got magic, Dad. Alright, once you finish the papaya, now next you cut them like this. Like this, the way how I'm doing it. After this, you get to come like this, and then you cut the skin off. Okay, now you're done with all of the papaya. You need a blender. So after you're done with the papaya, put in this container, the blender, and now put all the papaya in the. Now next, put all the papaya in the blender. That's skin. Alright, we need this knife. Next, you have to cut the skin off of the kiwi. Great. Once you got all the kiwis, taking off the skin, add some water to it. Yo, and yeah, thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great Father's Day, everyone. So, and yeah, you have a very great Father's Day, everyone. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to like, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.